You have a seat with the dumbbells, you put them on your lap, kick them up, each dumbbell, beautiful, lie down. You want to turn your hands inward so your palms face each other. Lock your shoulders down, your feet are planted in the floor. Shoulders are locked down, chest is out, wrists are straight. You want to keep it over the center of your chest. Breathe in on the way down. 180-degree angle, boom, right there. Elbows meet the shoulder, and then you come up. You don't want to keep your elbows too bent, but you don't want your arms locked. You want them slightly bent. Look at that. When he comes up, he's squeezing the chest. The chest is working beautifully. His face, nice and straight. He's looking straight up, not looking around the gym. Keeping the abs tight so he doesn't waddle and fall off of this bench. Wrist, elbow, shoulders lined up. You don't want to come down and do a fly with your wrist coming high up. You want it exactly lined up. You don't want to have your arm come down here or back here. It's perfectly lined up with the shoulder. Bam, all the pressure is getting in that chest and it's working the chest.